Businesses along Route 46 have been popping up like spring flowers. Mod Wash, Advanced Dermatology, Mission Barbecue, Home Goods, Longhorn Steakhouse. There's a new Bass Pro Shop on the way, and the newly opened Meijer Supercenter. We have a lot of great grocery stores in town, but we were on hand for the press preview day at Meijer and got a sneak peek inside.
We're 160,000 square feet, but it's all very deliberate and intentional in how it's set up. We make sure that we keep our aisles very wide and easy to access and get through, so you're not walking down aisles bumping into other customers. We have a flow that is just very easy for customers to be able to come in, even though it's big, to be able to get through quickly and get everything that they need. We set out to hire 350 team members, and we've been able to reach our goal. The community has been very receptive throughout the hiring events we've had over the last couple months, and we just continue to find great talent within the Warren community.
Our senior management was talking with Meijer. They know it would be a great fit for the marketplace, but it's a matter of working through all the particulars, and especially with a store this size, and the fact that Meijer likes to establish several stores in a marketplace at one time within their time frame, it made it more complicated.
Meijer supports local groups and charities, donating $15,000 to Inspiring Minds for the grand opening.
It means a lot. It's great to see companies that come to our community and want to support our mission. A lot of people have put a lot of work into making this happen, and it's just really awesome to see someone who really believes in our work.
In addition to the main supercenter, Meijer offers a gas station with a convenience store in the front parking lot.